today we're going to be having a look at this, at the seed that I found on this weird looking edition. You won't believe it's so cool. And yeah, so now I'll just have to sign in. Okay, it's signed in. Now all I have to do now is do the balloon, sign, Rio, and Llama. Confirm. It's hosted by my best friend, Lynn. I just have to do some stuff. Now, as you might know. It's locating the server. When it's done, all I have to do now is adjust some settings. Yeah. And yeah, just punched me. I just have to do some settings. Oh, and I'm just gonna have a quick look at this. As you might know, you already know this place, but I don't. This is my first time visiting this place. As you might know. What is a map? A treasure map. Inside. Okay, yeah, you can go. I don't need your help. All I have to do now is just grab some gravel. Oh, and I have to fix this. Oh no, the gravel gave me flint, and I don't need flint right now. Oh no, what did I do? I hate flint. Well, I might need flint, but yeah, as you might know, I don't need flint that much, but okay, yeah, flint is not useful. I hate flint. I don't know why it gave me flint, but it seems like Nene has just left. I don't know why, but I'll try my best to not get any flint. Because I have to repair this, and this is where I'm gonna stay. As you might know, we'll first have to bury up some of the spots with gravel. As you might know, gravel is not like the best material, but yeah, I still use it, and use that I put away. We'll place that right there, and done. I've closed the gap up. All I have to do now is and also clay! I can make some terracotta or whatever it's called. But first I'll have to craft a furnace to get some stuff. I haven't even got some materials yet. And I have to bury up the hole that is here now. Because I don't know why, but these are holes. I'll have a look at the treasure map, and I'll tell Flynn to get the treasure map. Hey, enjoy your flip, okay? Enjoy your flip. Okay, why don't you want to take the flip? Take the flip, Flynn A. Just pick up the flip. Pick up the flip right now. Pick up the flip, thanks. Thanks for picking up the flip. And done. All I have to do now is just bury that gap. And as you might know, I'm taking so much damage. I'm having a look at this. Oh, the treasure's not so far away. The treasure is... No, it's the other way around. I'll give the treasure map to Flynn A. Flynn A, what? Why are you grabbing gravel? Place it back, then I'll give you this, a treasure map. No, place it back in the right spot. That's it. Here we go. 1, 2, and here's the treasure map. Find the treasure. Have fun. Okay. Have fun finding the treasure. What? You look so weird. Come back. Okay, don't worry. I'm the operator. That was what I was adjusting. Teleport. Here we go. You teleported. Die. I'll first have to get some materials. I don't even have a crafting table yet. What? No! I got trapped. But at least I have I'll give the flip to Lene. Here, take the flips. Take the flips, and I'll give you this map. When you take the flip, I'll give you the map. As you might know, I tricked you, so I'm just putting the map somewhere safe now, back inside where I found it. I'm gonna craft a bed when I have enough materials. Open up this, place the map all the way back. Oh, and as you might know, I forgot the most simplest thing of all time. I need to get wood, and before I do, I'm just gonna kill this chicken. Sorry, chicken, but die, chicken. Okay, I don't need feathers at all, but I have some raw chicken. At least, some raw chicken. I'm gonna place it in the chest. I'm just gonna mine up as much wood as I can and craft myself a crafting table. And what? Okay, I'm just gonna check out what he's doing after this. I hope he doesn't steal the map from the little base that was right there. I don't know why, but I found that base. And here. Oh no, I still have so much wood. Why did he place down that much wood? Oh, he's back into the base. Whoa. I almost died. What's he loves his foot so much. Why do you like your foot so much? What? You even have flowers? You even have flowers? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? What? A sapling. Okay, I'm just gonna place it there. What's wrong with you, Ryan? Well, for me. Oh no! It's a broken roof. Okay, I'm just gonna give us permission to do something that I know. I'm cheating. Right? I'm cheating in survival. I'm cheating in survival. Getting some cracked stone and mossy stone. And as you might know, Lene is causing so much trouble in the ocean right now. That's why I'm gonna go back on. So yeah. Oh, as I was saying, I don't need these, so yeah. I'm just gonna place. Okay. That. Okay, never mind. Why did I even have that much? I'm just gonna mine up all this and hope that, yeah. I don't know why I grabbed that much, but yeah. That's done. I'm just gonna go back on for a while. Again to cheat. And yeah. As you might know, I cheated. But I still don't really care. And it's almost night, so yeah. Stay perfect. All I have to do now, what? Why does Lene keep doing this? I hate him. My little brother Lene keeps doing this to me. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly get some wood. Okay, pieces of wood. Well, now 40. And stop. What? He was slammed by. I can't believe Lene was slammed by a drown. I'm just gonna teleport him away from me. What? Stop it! You won't be able to find my base once I knock you off, and you take so much damage. Wait. Capital A, Lene, random coordinates, and there. He's been teleported away. Good. Oh, there's a drown right there. I hope that drown doesn't even think about it. Oh, I teleported him so far away that he. That you. Why? Why? What? He's like a. Don't go near there, don't. What did I tell you? I told you not to go there. But you didn't listen. That's what you get for not even listening. Since it's again, I'm going to do this command. Slash. E. And bam! I died. I killed the drown now. All I wanted to do was just kill the drown. I killed the drown. Yes, I picked up everything. No, who picked up the chicken? Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. What did I say? Give me the chicken. Okay, I guess. You're just killing yourself. What? I just. What happened to the chicken? What did you do to the chicken? Well, you did kill the chicken, but the chicken went. Oh, okay, the chicken's right here. I'll give it to Flynn. When he comes right next to me, teleport, and there. Yeah. Take this. Take it. It's for free. Thank you. You took it. He was pranked. Oh, and what? There's floating food. Oh man. Oh, this is just getting too weird. It's rotten flesh. Flynn can come and join me. Flynn, come and join me. Pick up some fish. Some raw fish. And you can keep the fish that you collect. And clownfish. Okay, yep. I'm getting that clownfish. Okay, I have some clownfishes. Whales. Wow. This is just getting crazy. I'll let Lene get up all the scraps. But I'll put. Oh, I have 2 pieces of tropical fish. Okay. I'm just gonna go and craft myself a crafting table and then a pickaxe. So I can just start mining right away. And yeah. I don't really need any bone meal, but why not? And then open up this chest, place all my fish down. As you might know, I haven't even started crafting yet, but why did I even grab bone meal? Don't know. Whoa, that gave me a fright. I almost suffocated. Okay, no, just lost it. Okay, I'm just gonna craft a crafting table for now, and yeah, I have a crafting table. I'll place that down right there, and the furnace will go in that gap. I'll craft myself a wooden pickaxe. 4 pieces of sticks and a pickaxe. Now, time for a wooden pickaxe. I'll let Rene craft his one by himself. But what happened? Okay, I'm going to place that there and place. What the? Stop it, Rene. Stop it, you're destroying everything. What did I tell you? Don't. What? You got rotten flesh? Okay, I'll give you everything you have. Here, happy? Pick up your flour. For good luck. Here, and also take this. And this. And that. Hey! Take that. And also here, it's your own food. You'll have to survive yourself with it. Here. I don't put anything. That's perfect. Now I can start mining some cobblestone for the for the furnace. I'm gonna make another episode of